welcome back. These are episode 2 of our series, and we were in the key of C. So we had talked about how to hold the key of C. For beginners, this is just a basic way to hold in a beginner's way. And so today we are going to learn how to hold in an F in a beginner way. So also this is an F, because in a scale of in a chord of C, or in a scale of C, it is C, and then D minor, then E minor, and then F. So number 4 is an F. And without wasting time, we are going to learn how to hold an F. We had said this is 1, 2, 3, 4, first, second, third, and the fourth, and the thumb. So the first finger is going to hold the second string, yes, on the first fret, and then the second finger is going to hold the third string on the second fret, and then the third finger is going to hold the fourth string on the third fret. Yeah, make sure that you hear something like that, not something like, yes, not something that is not going to sound clear. So make sure you hold something that produces a sounding like that. So when you are playing a song, you begin with C as number 1, and then F as number 4. So that is it. If you are new here, make sure you will subscribe to this channel so that you learn how to play any song or anything that you want to play in a guitar. For this is our second episode in our series. Make sure you comment, like, and share. See you in the next one.